Hello everyone, welcome back to the Daily Blend, episode 184. I'm your host, Oliver, and I'm joined by Maya. Happy January 24th, Maya. Do you feel like you've learnt anything new so far this year?
オリバー、ハロー。1月24日だね。新しいこと、今年はもっとレパートリーを増やそうと思って新しいレシピに挑戦してるよ。なんでそんなこと聞くの？
Well, today is actually the International Day of Education. It's a day to celebrate the power of learning. And since our listeners are here learning English with us, I thought it was a perfect fit.
なるほど。今日は教育の国際デーなんだね。リスナーの皆さんも一緒に学んでいるわけだから、まさにぴったりの日だね。
Exactly. And speaking of education, or maybe visual education, our first story today is about some massive art coming to Hokkaido. The designs for the 2026 Sapporo Snow Festival have just been revealed.
2026年の札幌雪まつり？もう準備が進んでるんだ。今回はどんな雪像が見られるの？
It sounds incredible. They are planning to build giant 15-meter-high snow sculptures of characters from the latest global anime hits. The scale is just massive. In fact, many people are already calling it a breathtaking scale.
15メートル？ビル5階分くらいあるよね。breathtaking scale って言った？それってどういう意味？
Right, breathtaking scale. Think of something so big or so beautiful that you literally forget to breathe for a second. It means the size or the level of something is extremely impressive or surprising, like looking at the Grand Canyon or a massive skyscraper.
へえ、息を飲むようなスケール。圧倒的な規模ってことだね。アニメキャラがそんな大きさで現れたら確かに息を飲んじゃいそう。
I agree. And because of these popular characters, organizers expect over 2.5 million visitors. That's a 15% increase from last year. Because of this, the local hotels are already reporting a 95% occupancy rate for the festival week in February.
250万人も？すごい経済効果だね。あ、今のoccupancy rate っていうのはホテルの予約状況のことかな？
Yes, precisely. Occupancy rate refers to the percentage of rooms or seats that are filled. So if a hotel has 100 rooms and 95 are booked, the occupancy rate is 95%. It's a common term in the travel and business industry to show how busy a place is.
なるほど。稼働率とか宿泊率っていう意味だね。95% ってことはもうほとんど満室に近い状態なんだ。早めに予約しないと大変。
Definitely. The festival will also feature evening projection mapping on the snow. They'll use 100% renewable energy for the lights too. By the time it opens on February 4th, the whole city will be in full swing.
雪雪像にプロジェクションマッピング。絶対綺麗だよね。最後の方に言った be in full swing っていうのも気になるな。どういう状況？
To be in full swing means that an activity or event is at its highest level of energy or activity. It's when everything is happening at once and the excitement is at its peak. So during the festival, the streets, the food stalls, and the crowds will all be in full swing.
つまり最高潮とか真っ盛りっていう意味だね。お祭り全体が盛り上がっている様子が目に浮かぶよ。冬の北海道行きたくなっちゃうな。
It sounds lovely, doesn't it? But if you're planning to travel from Tokyo to Hokkaido or anywhere in Japan, you might be interested in our second story. JR Central has just revealed the first photos of their new luxury private rooms for the Shinkansen.
新幹線の個室？グリーン車よりもさらに上のクラスができるってこと？
Yes, it's like a hotel room on wheels. These new first-class rooms are set to debut on the Tokaido Shinkansen line in April 2026. Each Nozomi train will only have 2 of these exclusive cabins.
2026年の4月にデビュー、つまりデビューするんだね。たった2部屋だけなんてすごく特別感がある。
It really does. The photos show these beautiful wood-paneled rooms that look like the inside of a private jet. One of the best features is that the rooms are completely soundproof.
soundproof 新幹線って結構走行音がするけど、それが聞こえないってこと？
Exactly. Soundproof means designed to prevent sound from entering or leaving. So if you are inside, you can't hear the noisy train sounds, and people outside can't hear your private business meetings or phone calls. It's total silence.
なるほど。防音ってことね。ウェブ会議をしたり、静かに寝たい人には最高だね。中にはどんな設備があるの？
Well, the seats are fully reclining, which is perfect for a long trip. Plus, there is high-speed Wi-Fi and even a concierge service for meals.
フリーリクライニングか。新幹線のシートも結構倒れるけど、それ以上なのかな？
Yes, fully reclining means the seat can lean back until it's almost horizontal, like a bed. In many luxury airplanes or these new train rooms, you can lie down completely flat. It's the ultimate way to rest while traveling at 285 kilometers per hour.
つまり、フルリクライニング、完全に横になれるってことだね。コンシェルジュサービスまであるなんて、まさに走るファーストクラスだ。一度でいいから乗ってみたいな。
Me too, although I think the price might be quite high. But for business travelers who need privacy, it's going to be a game changer once it makes its debut later that year. It'll be interesting to see how popular it becomes when the service is in full swing later that year.
確かに静かな空間が必要な人には需要がありそう。2026年は雪まつりも新幹線も新しい楽しみがいっぱいだね。
It certainly is. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly review today's expressions.
はい、復習タイムだね。ゆっくり確認していこう。
First was breathtaking scale.
breathtaking scale 息を飲むような圧倒的な規模という意味でしたね。
Second, occupancy rate.
occupancy rate ホテルの客室稼働率や座席の占有率のことです。
Third, to be in full swing.
to be in full swing 活動が最高潮である、真っ盛りであるという意味です。
Fourth, to debut.
to debut 初登場する、デビューするという意味ですね。
Fifth, soundproof.
soundproof 音が漏れない、音が中に入らないの防音のという意味です。
And sixth, fully reclining.
fully reclining 座席が完全に後ろまで倒れる、フルリクライニングのことですね。
Great job. Try using one of these when you talk about your next trip or a big event you've seen.
今日も勉強になったね。皆さんもぜひ使ってみてください。
Thanks for listening to Daily Blend. We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
さようなら。